Yo, y'all. Dominoes 7 back on Instagram. I mean, Facebook Live. Okay? Facebook Live, I should say. The wind is blowing hard, not again. Oh, shoot. Yeah. Oh, wow. Them shutters hitting the window and the door. Oh, yes, indeed. Oh, yes, indeed. That'll disturb anybody. That's why I hate shutters on my windows and doors sometimes. You know, nothing you can do. You know, but put up with it. Nothing you can do but put up with it. And this branch is still lingering. If it would have been a hurricane, it probably would have snapped. If y'all remember, I had bags of cans over here, you know. I mean, over there, you know. Oh, boy. And that's it.